Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and today I'm looking at a Grand Design Reflection. I'm not sure what year it is, but if you're curious for the model, it is a 337 RLS. We're actually going to be removing the Equiflex kit that's here, that's an older version. It's actually all worn out, and the shackle links are even worn as well. So what we're going to end up doing, this one actually has the correct track, and so we're going to take this equalizer out and we're going to put a Dexter E-Z Flex in it, and then this one has the longer shackle links, and we're going to install the thicker shackle links. So if you see, you can even see right there, but something about how it's worn out. If I took and shook the suspension and moved it, it's all floating around in there, bouncing up and down like that. But you can see how thin these shackle links are. They're about maybe 1/4 of an inch, I believe. And back here we have our Dexter E-Z Flex kit, and then we have to add additional brackets because these don't come as long. So you see how thick these guys are, right? These aren't as long. That's what's going to go on there instead. And then here is the thicker, longer ones. So if you compare the two as far as the depth, you can see what the difference is between the two, the length of them. So it requires the longer shackle link. So stay tuned for more. I'll try to catch back up with the guys later as they get over here. They're going to start ripping this out. I believe we're doing brakes and a wheel bearing pack as well. I'm not sure if they're doing something to the spindle or not, maybe cleaning up looks like some rust signs on it or something like that. And then again, we'll be removing all this. Something else to keep an eye on too is, we're always checking for the frame cracks now. And so we were in talks with some of the different manufacturers about, like, this particular suspension doesn't have the V roller, or doesn't have the V's in the center. So we're going to start ordering those so that we can start welding them in place, and then you weld it in on the back sides of these hangers to kind of help reinforce it. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and I will get some pictures of this, and we will get it back so you can see what it's going to look like. And if you haven't already joined our Grand Design Facebook group, it's Grand Design RV Owners in the RV Shop with Dustin. And on there, obviously we have, I don't know, probably 400 Grand Design YouTube videos now, but we also have thousands of pictures. I think there's probably 400 or 500 photo albums in there of, like, how to fix stuff, problems, upgraded parts, accessories, I mean, you name it, chemicals that we use, products that we use. And then same thing on our Amazon Facebook page too, or not Amazon Facebook, but the Amazon page. So, okay, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. We appreciate you.